up, guys? I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'll put my shield down here. Done with work for the day, so I'm on my way home. Just thought I'd turn the camera on while I'm going. We're not going to get the light. So I hope you guys had a good day at work or wherever you are right now. I guess college classes are starting up this week too, so some of you might be going to school, going to class. It was a hot day. It feels pretty good right now though. After 7. I think it's about almost 8 actually right now, so traffic in this area is pretty dead. It's usually bad from about 4 to 6:30. Still getting used to this shifter. I got a 1-inch extended shifter on here from Happy Trails. Might have placed it just a little too low. Especially if I end up getting some different boots. Can't wear big boots like that to work, but at some point I may get some off-road style boots, adventure boots. Probably have to move the shifter. This Happy Trail shifter is a whole lot better than the other shifter I had on here, which was the IMS shifter. The IMS was also the extended shifter, but it was scraping the side of my case. And unfortunately, I've seen several KLRs with the IMS shifter scraping the side of the case. So now I've got a big worn spot on the side of the case. I'm going to have to find a way to either paint it, touch it up with something, or do something to make it look better. But this Happy Trail shifter fits nice. It's nowhere near the case, and it's also got a big solid thick metal like washer like thing welded to the back of it, so if you do drop the bike and it falls down and hits something, hits a rock or whatever, and pushes it up against your case, it's a good possibility it's large enough to where it won't penetrate all the way through the case. So I kind of like that. That's one good feature of the Happy Trail shifter. Still getting used to it though. Sometimes when I go for second, it goes into neutral, and other times I go into second and I feel like it shifts too hard, so it's hard to get it just right. This is a great time of day to ride. Of course, it's probably one of the more dangerous times for motorcycles. Still some traffic on the road. Kind of dusk, but it feels good outside, I know that. Starting to cool off here. not sure how this is going to turn out. It's getting a little dark, so this camera, I've heard this camera does pretty good. This is the Sony AS200V, but I guess we'll see if it's worth posting. I won't run that one. Alright guys, I'm about to the house, so I'm going to turn you off here in a minute. Appreciate you checking out the videos. Like it if you want. Subscribe if you want. I'm going to be putting some more out. Just getting started here, but there will be more. Y'all have a good one.